Trying to play games on Ryujinx only to realize the controller is not responding on your Steam Deck cannot be good. Many users notice buttons failing to respond, controls not appearing inside Ryujinx, or gameplay starting without any input working properly. Sometimes the Steam Deck controls work outside the emulator but suddenly stop once a game launches. In many situations, a Ryujinx controller not working on Steam Deck issue can happen because of controller mapping problems, emulator settings, input conflicts, or temporary software glitches. Before changing random control settings repeatedly or reinstalling everything unnecessarily, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get Ryujinx working properly on the Steam Deck. 1. Restart the Steam Deck completely and reopen Ryujinx to refresh controller communication normally. 2. Open Ryujinx input settings and confirm the Steam Deck controls appear as the selected input device. 3. Reconfigure controller mapping carefully and make sure buttons are assigned correctly inside Ryujinx settings. 4. Check Steam input settings and confirm no controller profile conflicts interfere with Ryujinx controls. 5. Launch a game again and confirm whether the Steam Deck controller works properly in Ryujinx afterward.